Welcome back to 3 Generations Restoration. Today is the final day of the Allis Chalmers Model D Road Graders Restoration. So it's only fitting that we take it outside and we run it around and take pictures and really show you what this thing's all about. I'm gonna go get my coat on. It's about 20 degrees outside, get some gloves, got a few things to move, and then we're gonna be taking this thing outside.
Alright everybody, well you can kind of see how wide of a turn radius this thing has. But it's kind of nice that it's got the wheel lean on it to make that turn easier. But here it is idling, and man, really does look better in the sun, like I was saying in the previous video. You just do not see a whole lot of these Allis Chalmers Model D graders out there. Now if you're just tuning in on this channel and on this grader here, we picked this thing up with the locked up engine with all probably 25 hydraulic hoses blown and 6 bad tires, as well as a bunch of other bad things that were wrong with this thing. But I think we did good justice with this thing. You can really see that we're burning nice and even on the engine here. all the paint's getting burned off, and I really like that two-tone of the manifold now looking like that. We got different tires. We got some good tires on it now. We got 2 new lights on the back, and then I always like this back decal right here. New plug wires, plugs, distributor cap, and then you can see all the hoses we got. We got new power steering lines. We got new, this I believe is the turn. We got all new turntable lines, all new side shift lines, scarifier lines, valve jump over line. We did everything down in the operator's platform, as well as everything to the hydraulic pump. And then we did wheeling, lift left, and lift right. All brand new hoses on this thing. So we're gonna take you guys for a little ride. We're gonna show you all the kind of how to operate this old grader and go from there. But yeah, these small graders are really sought after, really hard to find, and you just don't see them like this anymore. All right, everybody, we're currently up on the seat of this Allis Chalmers Model D grader. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a rundown on all the controls. Right here is side shift. You can see the blade shifting toward left and right. Right here is table turn. See it moving there. This one's a scarifier. We don't have that hooked up. We don't have a scarifier, but it's still here. This is wheeling, this lever here. This is blade up and down left. This is blade up and down right. This is the parking brake. Here's your gear pattern. We got first, reverse, fifth, third, fourth. I might have missed second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, never mind. We got first, reverse, fourth, third, second. Oil pressure gauge, temperature gauge, and then we got our ampere gauge. Here's our key switch. On this side we got the starter button, and we got our throttle. And then this is the high-low. We're not going to be using this today, but this would be going if we're going to be going really fast down the road. So let's go ahead and take this old girl for a spin. little bit too cold to do any grading today, but I assure you guys that when the weather gets a little bit better and the gravel gets a little bit softer, we're going to be getting this thing out for sure and doing some grading. Give you one last look about this whole machine. Pretty nice. All right, everybody. We're coming to an end here with the Allis Chalmers Model D restoration video. And just wanted to say thank you all for tuning in and watching the videos. It means a lot to me, and it actually also lets us restore these kinds of tractors. You know, we're not able to save all of them, but we are able to save a good 98% of them, and this was one of the good ones. So I think this has got to be one of our top restorations as of yet. But if we keep making videos and we keep doing things, I think we're going to be able to do better than this and find rarer things. Do better for 3 generations restoration. So if you guys like videos where we restore antique tractors, antique equipment, you'll definitely like this channel. And stay tuned for more videos because we got a lot of content out there for you. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.